Alright, a typical complaint during our fall visit is that the unit did not cool very well during the summertime. So while we're here, the evaporator coil on top here is responsible for the cooling effect. So we're going to open up this evaporator coil, and we're going to use a leak detector and see if we've got refrigerant present inside here. The refrigerant circulates through the pipes and should never be present in the air. So we're going to be checking to see if we've got a refrigerant leak here. Going to use our little leak detector here. Let it power up and then look around for a leak. Now that the leak detector's warmed up, we're going to look for a leak inside this evaporator coil. We're going to start to the left, and it's going to go off like you just saw if it smells refrigerant. Smelling refrigerant right there. So this coil is leaking refrigerant, and the refrigerant charge is going to be low. So this is one of the older units scheduled to be replaced next year. So for now we're just going to leave it, and in the springtime before cooling season starts, we're going to be replacing this equipment.